Now you have to create a new file in your root directory. Before that, you have to visit in your root directory using cd. Now our file name is .batch_profile. If you already have that file, you have to open that as an editor. To create a new file, you have to use touch.batch_profile. Again, touch space .batch_profile. Now you can see your file is available in your root directory. There is a file called .batch_profile. To edit batch profile, you have to enter open -e .batch_profile. Again, open space -e space .batch_profile. Alright, this is the file that you have created. To save this file, click File and Save.